Xin Chao Primary School. It's Wednesday, June 13th, and it's day H. I'm Danny.
And I'm Ian. Here are morning announcements. Congratulations and thanks to the grade 2, 3, and 4 teachers and students yesterday during the awards assembly.
Today is the last full day of school. Make the best of it and make some memories.
Today, grade 3 and 4 students will visit Angel House from 9 till 11:30 a.m. today. Miss Duck, Mr. Billy, and Mr. Paul will be accompanying them.
Studio 5A will be rock climbing at Saigon Outcast this morning at 9:30 a.m. till 11:30 a.m. with Mr. Pug and Miss Tania.
Talent show full dress rehearsal will be happening today during period 6 and 7.
This is a reminder that tomorrow is the last day of school. Students will be dismissed at 11:40 a.m. Please remind your parents.
Today is the last day of specialist classes. Check out these new hats that a PTO are selling. They are on sale today and tomorrow at the Rhino Hut. 300,000 VND for one and 500,000 VND for two. Get them for the summer vacation coming up. They also make a great gift.
Take the pledge of no more single use. You can start by refusing plastic straws and using bamboo ones. Bring your own reusable water bottles and using cloth bags. You can get your own bamboo straws at the Global Cafe today.
Joke of the day. How do frogs get the ice off their car windows?
How?
They use the defrogger.
Random fact of the day. People in the United States eat more bananas than apples and oranges combined.
The mindfulness quote of the day is keep your face to the sunshine and you cannot see the shadow. Helen Keller.
That's it for today's morning announcements. Have a wonderful Wednesday.